starting to sound like an expert here, Barley.
Learning from the best.
Maybe I'll just go and take a wee sleep in the truck. Well, this ain't been washed in a week or two, is it? What do you say to that, guys and girls? You see that running off before the even chlorine started to wash on it, is that bad? You can already see the difference. So we've just been hit too in there. Yeah, we're rinsing now. When it's this bad, I'm going to come back. We're going to give this a heavy rinse and then a quick splash of chlorine again, and then another rinse just to make sure that, like I said, it's hard to tell off the phone that she's bad. What's coming up then?
Look at this leaves stuff in there.
I love these type of washes, they're so satisfying.
I can.
Auntie Dunkel, Mrs. Nephew. Like, just leave me alone. I want to get done. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. She looks good. Looks like brand new. Look at that. Remember this back. Look at this bad boy.